Hey guys, and happy October. Before we get into today's video, I just wanted to share something with you that I've made a free wallpaper and also created a secret page on my website. So if you sign up to join my email list, you will get the password to the seller, which will give you access to a free phone wallpaper and also a coupon code to use in my next shop update that will be on October 10th. I hope you guys join the seller, and if you are already part of my email list, I have sent an email out with the password to the seller, so you guys already have access. And now on to the video. Today's video is the first of my Inktober videos, and yes, I know you're already thinking, but Kelly, you already tried and failed this challenge 4 years in a row. Well, maybe fifth time is the charm. I'm just like so determined to finish this challenge and actually have 31 drawings completed. I will say right off the bat, do not expect daily videos from me because that is just, it's not going to happen. It's impossible. And to be honest, the editing and uploading is what takes the bulk of the time for doing the daily video thing. It's not so much as the art. So my main goal is to just finish the challenge, do the challenge, have fun with the challenge, and enjoy fall instead of the stress of trying to upload daily. So I currently am following the Inktober prompt lists, and I have picked the theme bones, partly because I need to do a lot of practice with anatomy. I really want to start designing some creatures here in the near future, and I feel like I really need to start at the basic level and just focus on the bone structure of things currently. I really tried to set myself up for success this year and just use a sketchbook that I got from sketchbookco.com. You probably won't be able to find the exact same sketchbook I have. They're all handmade and they're all pretty one-off and original, which I love. Either way, I will leave them linked in the video description so you can check out their sketchbooks and see if there's any available for you. But yeah, I decided to work in a sketchbook this year and just do all of my sketching and my drawing in the sketchbook instead of doing it on my iPad and then printing it out and transferring and making a big old deal out of it. My main goal is to just draw every day this month. And that's not just my only goal. I would like to walk, read, and draw every day this month. But also have a good time doing that. So I'm just taking all the pressure off of myself for Inktober. If I finish, wonderful. If I don't, I'm not going to get mad at myself. But there will be at least one Inktober drawing a week on this channel this month. I'm hoping to do them all and just kind of bunch them up, like days 2 through 7 and 8 through 14, etc., etc. So the next few Inktober videos will probably be a lot longer, which some of you might like a little bit more, something to just have on the background while you're probably doing Inktober or some other daily drawing challenge. Speaking of that, if you are participating in a daily drawing challenge this month, leave your links in the comment section so we can all check it out for inspiration and build a nice community of support. So anyway, the first prompt for this challenge was crystal, and I have to admit I wasn't a fan of it. I didn't like it. Everything I thought of seemed like it had already been done, and I can already see myself wanting to abandon the prompt list and just stick with my theme because I'm spending more time worried about if the art matches the prompt than actually just doing the drawing. So I probably will abandon the prompt list, and it is what it is. My main goal is to just draw every day this year or this month and fill this sketchbook up and not put any pressure on myself. Will there be a zine? I don't know. Will I finish? I have no clue. All I want to do is have fun this month, and hopefully this inspires you to take the pressure off yourself as well, because I'm really tired of Inktober stressing me out every year. I mean, I love to participate and I love spooky things, but I feel like I try to cram everything in the month of October that I like, and it's just not doable. So hopefully this takes the pressure off. Just relax, have fun, paint what you want to paint. If you don't want to paint that day, fine. You know, like, have fun with it, you guys. Like, let's just all have fun this month. I am super excited because I do have a hot date to do some yard work today and pull out all of my Halloween fall decor. I got an awesome candle from Evil Queen called Basic Witch, and it smells like fall and tiny pumpkins, and I am in absolute heaven today. I can't believe it's October 1st already. 2021 is already almost gone. Before you know it, it'll be Thanksgiving and Christmas and then the New Year, and then we have no idea what January is going to hold or what it's going to look like. So I'm just going to really enjoy the fall season and do all the things that I love to do a lot of self-care, and just relax and enjoy it. I've let myself stress out too much the last few years, and it's because I love spooky things so much, and October is just, it's that month that if you're into spooky things, you just want to cram it all in that one month, and it's just not doable. So I'm sorry, but there's probably going to be a little bit of spooky stuff on this channel all year round. I can't help it. I like what I like. I'll try to make some pretty things every now and again, and hopefully you guys enjoy the ride and the content. I look forward to all of your comments in the comment section, and don't forget to leave your tags so I can check out what you guys are doing. And because I'm not making daily videos, maybe you might want to follow me on Instagram. The link is in the video description so you can stay up to date with how I'm doing and how my mental health is going during this challenge. I wish you all the best of luck if you are participating in a drawing challenge this month. I look forward to seeing all of your artwork. Don't forget to sign up to my email list to get your free wallpaper. Thank you guys so much for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next one.